Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine. If you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and please do share it with others. This would mean a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's start with today's video. Today I am going to share a recipe, pizza recipe that I tried at home. It's for both veg and non-veg. It depends on the toppings, what topping you select. As per your choice, you can add the toppings that you like. So yeah friends, without any further ado, let's start with the recipe. Here I have taken chicken sausage. You can take veg sauce if you're vegetarian, and if you don't like, then you can skip this topping. So I have chopped this in this way, and here I have taken mushroom, 4 medium size. Since I'm going to prepare a medium pizza, that is approx 9 to 10 inch, so for that I have taken 4 mushrooms. I have cut these in this kind of slices. Also I have taken some other vegetables like tomato, capsicum, baby corn and onion as well. So I have kept these to fry because this the mushroom and sausage takes some time to fry, and we need to fry that properly. So I have kept that for frying, and in the meantime I am just slicing the other vegetables, that is capsicum, tomato and onion I have here. Now I am frying the baby corns, as this also takes some time to get cooked. Here I have just prepared the dough. I have added 1 cup of atta to 2 cups of maida. So it depends what size you prepare. So based on that you have to give this you have to keep this proportion and just add maida and atta. To maida and atta also I have added baking powder and baking soda, so that it gets little bit fluffier, and the dough should be really runny, not thick, so that you can just press with your hand and make it the way how I did. Now I have just pricked with the help of fork so that it get cooked well. So the dough is ready. Now to the baby corn I have added the other vegetables. Also I have added basil leaves, oregano, chili flakes and salt. So now we're gonna saute for some time. Don't overcook it because it's gonna get cooked with the pizza as well. So now we're gonna prepare the base. So one side of the base I have cooked it partially, so this will be the front side of the base. So to this side I am adding this pizza sauce, and lower side it will get cooked along with the pizza. So here I am adding this sauce evenly throughout the base. You can even prepare this at your home. The one which I am using is ready-made one. You can even prepare at home using tomato ketchup, mayonnaise. So if you want a video on that, I will surely try to do that. You can let me know in Instagram, or even you can comment below this video in the comment section. So to this now we're gonna add cheese. So this is a block cheese that I am just grating and adding it evenly throughout. So after this we're gonna add vegetable. Actually some people they add the vegetable first and then the cheese, so it just so you don't get that color of your vegetable. The cheese, if you put the cheese in top, so the vegetables color it won't just pop up and it will become a cheese pizza, not a veg pizza, right? So I have added the cheese below. Now I have added all my toppings. It's really loaded, overloaded with veg and non-veg. And to this I am adding slight amount of cheese so that it binds all the vegetables that I have added, and it just does not come out, and it blends really very well. So that is the reason I have added some cheese in top as well. And if you want to have a cheese burst pizza, that also you can prepare. So tantana, I kept it for approx 25 minutes in low flame, and approx 20 to 25 minutes on low flame, so that the base also get cooked well. So now my pizza is ready. Friends, if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and do share with others. This would mean a lot to me. Bye bye. See ya.